The IDF announced on Tuesday that it has attacked Hezbollah around 4,500 times in Lebanon and Syria since the start of the war in October 2023. As part of those attacks, the IDF has killed over 300 Hezbollah fighters as well as injured over 750 of them, though most of the attacks have been against the militia's weapons and assets, such as nearly all of its border lookout posts and barracks. In fact, the IDF said it had destroyed nearly 150 lookout posts, which is dozens more than the number that was on the border, suggesting that its attacks have proceeded deeper inside the borders into Lebanon. These attacks have also eliminated around 90% of the approximately 6,000 Radwan forces that Hezbollah had placed in southern Lebanon since October 7th. Also, the IDF said that around 50 platforms for more powerful rockets launchers have been destroyed, and around 70 sub-command centers have been destroyed, which means majority of their infrastructure. Sources of the attacks. Breaking down the sources of attack, the IDF's artillery and tank units have carried out more than 3,100 attacks, while the Air Force, whether fighter jets, drones, or helicopters, has carried out more than 1,200 attacks. Besides general targets, the IDF has killed 5 senior Hezbollah commanders and has attacked dozens of cells that were preparing to fire on Israel with rockets or anti-tank missiles. The IDF said it is constantly working on cleaning out the remaining Hezbollah Radwan forces from southern Lebanon as well as eliminating portions of its military leadership by targeting them specifically. Further, the IDF said it recognizes the challenges of northern resident evacuees over 50,000, down from 80,000, and expressed its commitment to establishing a new level of security and stability in the North Israel. The IDF did not provide an update on Hezbollah's attacks on Israel, but based on past estimates put out by the IDF, Hezbollah has likely attacked Israel close to 5,000 times. Despite the number of Hezbollah attacks, the number of Israeli dead from those attacks is in the low dozens, since so many Israelis evacuated from the northern border since October. IDF Northern Command Chief Major General Yuri Gordon said that the attack machine that the IDF has been running against Hezbollah is regularly achieving powerful results against the militia.